Welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy, and today we're gonna do a test to see if you know what is iPhone 11 Pro or the Sony A7III. As you probably already know, the iPhone is $1,000 and the Sony A7III with this lens is around $4,000. The size of the iPhone is 188 grams and the Sony A7III is 650 grams. And now we're gonna compare some footage 4K from iPhone and Sony A7III. Now we're gonna compare slow motion. Now the next topic, it's gonna be photo. Audio quality on the iPhone is pretty good as well, very impressed, and it's nice because you can always plug an external mic if you need it. From right now, you guys are gonna be able to hear here on the phone, and let me know in the comment down below what you think about this audio. Consider subscribe to this channel if cinematography and editing is something that you're into. Let me know in the comment down below if you guess right or wrong. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.